I just checked laptop configuration. Show command here show run. Configuration using tftp. My switch have two different VLAN 10 and 20. I connect my laptop in VLAN 10 assigned port. I make sure VLAN 10 series IP in the laptop. Now I file location of tftp server. Here is default file location of tftp server. Now I backup laptop current configuration to tftp server. Command here copy startup config tftp. It asks tftp server address. My tftp server address is my laptop IP address, that is 192.168.10.10. It asks destination file name. Default file name is core_config. You can change it, but I don't change it. My file. Now I erase startup config file cause of I make this switch as a default size, so that erase startup config file. Command here erase startup config. After then I delete VLAN.dat file, cause delete VLAN information file. Then reboot the switch. Command reload. After restart, the switch make as a default switch. No have configuration. I just check it using command show IP interface brief. No IP in any interface. Now I assign IP in VLAN 1 interface for connecting this switch in my laptop using tftp server. I assign here different IP series, that is 10.10.1, and another series I assign on my laptop. I already assigned another series IP on my laptop and pin my laptop IP, that is 10.10.10. It's successful. Now I copy. Now I restored backup file from tftp server to the switch. Command here copy tftp :running config. It asks a remote host, that means my laptop IP address, that is 10.10.10, and destination file name, that already on my tftp server default location. It's okay. Backup store is complete. Now I save all configuration. Command copy startup config to running config. Copy running config to startup config. After restored, I checked VLAN status. Comment here. Show VLAN brief. Our backup successfully restored. Now I check all configuration and no have VLAN 1 IP. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. My laptop backup successfully restored.